The pencil is flying! Oh, so hot! Let's hop on, reach the sky! Everything looks Pencil made a whole world! Let's it! Let's dip the pencil in the ink. It changes colors when it draws. Look, it's drawing the path for us. Let's follow the colors before they fade. We're back! Best pencil ride ever! Thank you, Magic Pencil. We'll draw more adventures again.